7 Smallest Animals in the World. The animal kingdom is full of remarkable creatures, from towering giants to tiny wonders. Here's a look at 7 of the smallest animals in the world, each one a testament to the diversity and adaptability of life. The Paedophrynamoensis is a species of frog discovered in Papua New Guinea in 2009. Measuring just 7.7 millimeters, 0.3 inches, in length, this tiny amphibian is roughly the size of a housefly. The Etruscan shrew, also known as the white-toothed pygmy shrew, is the smallest mammal by mass, weighing between 1.2 and 2.7 grams, 0.04 to 0.09 ounces. Known as the bumblebee bat due to its size and shape, Kitti's hog-nosed bat is the smallest bat species in the world and also one of the smallest mammals. The Brookesia micra is the smallest chameleon species and one of the tiniest reptiles in the world. Discovered on the island of Madagascar in 2012, adults of this species reach only 2.9 centimeters, 1.1 inches, in length from nose to tail. The speckled padloper tortoise, native to South Africa, holds the title of the world's smallest tortoise. The Virgin Island dwarf sparrow, also known as the Virgin Island dwarf gecko, is one of the smallest lizards in the world. The pygmy rabbit is the smallest species of rabbit, weighing between 375 and 500 grams and measuring about 23.5 to 29.5 centimeters in length. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.